Y4A1. The class assembly is all about space and planets. Let's give Year 4A1 a warm welcome.
校长、各位老师、同学，大家好！我们4甲1班正在学习有关宇宙太空的课题。今天我们以一个短句来表达我们所学，希望大家喜欢。
It's been a very long day. Let's have a quick story. Marty, and then you must go to sleep.
I have been inquiring about space at school today, and I found this poem for my homework. Can we read it? Dear old moon, your new moon face has human footprints every place. The astronauts did not take care and walk upon you everywhere. But worse, they left behind a mess that surely causes you distress. Forgive us, moon. Please keep your glow with love from all of us below.
What a lovely poem, Marty. It really makes you think about the other planets out there.
I really want to be an astronaut when I grow up and travel to all the planets in our universe.
Work hard at school, and maybe one day your dreams will come true. Now go to sleep and continue your inquiry in space tomorrow. Good night.
Good night, Dad. Going to fly into space. I'm just a boy, you know.
Marty, meet the DeLorean, the tremendous time machine. Hop in. Where would you like to visit first?
Maybe we should take a short haul flight. First, and visit Mars, the closest planet to Earth, only 56 million kilometers away. I wonder how bad the jet lag will be. 谁都说火星有外星人，到底是不是真的呢？
好，我们下去看看吧。
你是谁？为什么会来火星？
因为我好想知道火星是怎样的，而且我听说火星有外星人嘛。
好，原来如此。好吧，欢迎来到火星。让我们来介绍火星吧。它的直径是6800公里，比地球小一半。它的大气层只有1层，大大的太阳把它。这里啊。 了，风力的强度不足以把你吹走。火星土里的科学物质可能会溶解你的彩虹、血脂和你的脚趾头。好吧，让我们带你去看多岛。我们爬上去欣赏吧。
你当我是傻瓜、笨蛋？我看你能不能爬上去，25公里哦。
好累呀！
天哪，他死了！
不用理他，让我带你去海洋山。
不用了，时间不早了，下一次你一定要来地球来探望我。
好的，我要收钱，因为我要收导游费，因为我带你去那。
哇，不要了！好险，差点要给导游费呢。博士，我们下一站要去哪儿？
下一站是金星，我们出发吧。Wow, Marty, those aliens are strange creatures. How funny.
I wonder what our next adventure will hold. I hope the aliens are nicer on this planet.
Let's leave the car with care and find out.
I always try to be a risk taker, but I'm scared.
Boy, Marty, it's sure hot. Look over there.
What are they?
We are canyons, big rocks with holes. We are here to tell travelers all about Venus. It is a long time since anyone has visited.
hasn't turned into a pile of molten lead.
老爸，全太阳系最大的行星是木星吗？我好想去啊！
其实我们快要到了，准备跳出太空船。
老爸，这样很危险呢。我们可以等太空船着陆登陆了也行啊。
你看清楚木星的大红斑和表面气体是什么以后的，就知道我们为什么要跳船而不能登陆了。